How to use Phemex leverage trading quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Phemex.com and how to use Phemex leverage trading. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you'll go to a platform known as Phemex.com, which is a famous crypto platform that allows you to buy and sell crypto. It has its own marketplace. We get different contracts, trading is available, earning options, and much more. Once you get to Phemex.com, you will require an account, so you can sign up with your Google account with your email address, enter some information, and you will get right here on your dashboard. I have logged into myphemex.com and I'll show you how we use Phemex trading, leverage trading, and how it works. Let's get into the video. In order to get to the leverage trading option, you will have to go to the contract because it's available under the contract trading. So I'm going to open it up. It will take you to phemex.com/trade, and this is where I will show you how it works. Before we begin the process, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto and trading, then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for the platform Phemex, and if you are familiar with trading, with leverage trading, then you can use Phemex with all of the tools given here. That being said, let's continue. Once you open up the Phemex.com, you will be able to check out the trading window. First of all, you can also go to the marketplace and you can find your perpetual, or you can select right here. We will get a drop down which will show you favorites, USD perpetual, we have USDC perpetuals, coin perpetuals, and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select BTC and USDT. This is going to be the live price. Keep in mind the pricing I am showing you, it's at the time of making this video. We have 24-hour change, 24-hour high and low, 24-hour turnover, and funding and countdown given. This is going to be the order book right here. We'll get to it in a minute. We have order book right here, which will give me the amount. We have prices, the totals, everything. And if I scroll down a little bit, I will be able to show you the recent trades right here, the pricing, sizes, and time. The prices are updated every second on Phemex, and it's a very interactive and fast platform. Then we have our chart. In our chart, you can see we have a chart view and then we have a depth trading view. I have selected a perpetual and now I can check a chart right here. Using a chart on Phemex is really easy. You can see you select the time first. Let's say 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, a day, or a week. So I'm going to go with a daily view. You can see. Now it will show me in the form of a graph. So we have like all of the tools given here. We have expand, we have forks and text, scales, zoom in, zoom out, magnetic mode. So all of the tools are given that we use. You will be able to select the volume here. Then we have the expand option, which is the full screen mode from here. For the purpose of the video, I'm just going to keep it to the, small screen. If I click on depth, it will show me a depth view into the trading. You can see how interactive the chart is. So I'm going to switch to the chart here. You can see the prices again. We have 24-hour high, 24-hour low, and you can keep track of all of the different pricing. Within a day, you can see the highest it went and the lowest right here. You can see. And at the bottom, we also have another bar graph available. You click right here and you will be able to hide all of the drawing tools and get like a better view. Select the tool from here and mark different options, different prices and volumes. And we can also actually create boards to help us automate our work. If I scroll down, it will show me my assets right here with the wallet that I have. Assets are shown right here. You can deposit or withdraw your assets on Phemex with this option. So you can see we have assets by crypto, deposit, transfer, and then we have contract details. And it will show me my open position, closed position, active orders, conditional orders, fills, and order history right here. Okay, let's move on to the place order right here. You can click on this small calculator and you will be able to calculate your profit and loss, target price, and liquidation price on Phemex. Let's say I want to calculate my profit and loss before I place an order. For that, you will have to enter your price right here. One count is equal to 0.001 BTC. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter 100 enterprise. So the enterprise is going to be 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Exit price is going to be 9,000. Click on calculate and it will give you your margin right here, your exit value, your entry value, profit and loss, and ROE. So this is, of course, I've just entered like random numbers right here, but what you will do is you will actually select your size, your enterprise, everything, and you will be able to calculate your profit and loss. Similarly, we can calculate the target price and liquidation price right here by just entering our entry price, our margin balance for the liquidation. Select your X from here, go with the 10X. It's actually really good, and then you will be able to buy or sell. You have to select if you're buying or sell as well because it makes a big difference. So once you have calculated, let's say that I have also calculated my target price, and now I am sure that I will actually want to order from this perpetual. For that, you have to select your cross first. If it's going to be 10x, 5x, 25x, 100x, I'm going to go with 10x. Select if it's going to be leverage. You're selecting the leverage here. Keep that in mind. Cross or isolated. If you select cross, in cross margin mode, all available balance in your account will be used as margin. In the event of liquidation, the entire balance and all positions with margined assets may be potentially lost. Keep that in mind. If you go with isolated, in isolated margin mode, each position's margin is independent of one another. In the event of liquidation, you will lose the margin on that particular position. So there is always a risk in trading, especially when it comes to crypto. I'm going to select cross from here for the leverage, and we have 10x. Then we have limit, market, or conditional. I'm going to go with limit, but you can switch to the market as well or switch to the conditional too. With the market order will be immediately filled at the best available price from the order book. In conditional, the conditional order is activated only when there is a trigger price reached. So we kind of like select the one we want to go for. And then we have limit. A limit is an order to buy or sell at a given price or a better. So I'm going to go with limit. Then we have to enter our, let's switch to limit right here. So we have limit price, enter the limit price for USDT, select the size for USDT. It depends on the perpetual that you have selected. Select long or short and it will show you your options. We also have some advanced option available on Phemex such as reduce only or bracket order from here. Click on long or short and you will be able to buy your leverage with a limit, market, or conditional. That's how you simply do the leverage trading on Phemex. It's actually really easy once you understand how to use the platform. Of course, if you truly understand how it works, how everything, all of the different terms mean, then it becomes really easy for you. You will be able to copy trade as well. Click on the copy trade option, give it. Then we have a select market from here. We have buy crypto contracts right here, contract trading, which is the leveraged one. And then we have copy trading, earn, and learn as well. This is where I will be able to see my assets. We have spot wallet here, contract account, fund details, spot history, contract history. And then we also have our account here. So this is a complete beginner's tutorial for you guys on how to use Phemex.com and how you can use Phemex for leverage trading. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. And now you know how to use Phemex for trading. Go ahead and try it out. At the end, again, this was not a financial video, so I do not suggest for going for a particular leverage or going for a particular perpetual. Make sure to understand everything and then you can use Phemex.com. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.